birthday is gonna be soon, so I'm gonna break my wife to her. I'm gonna tell her I'm going on a date and I'm gonna be in a hotel and I'm gonna call and all that stuff. Let's see how she acts. Sky.
Okay, you wanna make that video? I'm not coming.
Why are you mad at me, Shoudeline?
I'm not mad.
Huh?
I'm not mad.
You look mad. What happened?
You think I'm mad?
Yes, you're mad because I tell you somebody has a surprise party for me.
You said that chick have a surprise party.
She did. You want to know her name?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have to know.
Why you have
Why
to?
why I can't know? What do you mean?
Yeah, guy maybe have a surprise party.
No,
for
you change it to I will never do that. Even though somebody will make me a surprise party, if I know about it, I will say, can my wife be part of it? Like that, she won't feel like I'm cheating.
But what happens if she don't want you to be there?
That's okay. So if you don't want me to be there, just say it.
Maybe no. I mean the girl. What do you think?
Mommy's working now.
I think it's working, this guy.
See, Mommy, look.
Yeah, I know.
I want to
Mommy,
play ABC now.
Honey, can you open that door?
I'm not sure I understand.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, she's
You
my
think I said
my wife. She's here.
You think this is funny?
My wife is here. Yeah. She want to know why you make for me a surprise party. She want to come in the party.
I don't want to come.
Yes, you said you want to come in the party.
I don't want to come.
She want to know your name too. So she says you make a party for a married man. Shoudeline, you want to talk to her?
No, thank you.
Why not? Huh?
I don't.
Why not, honey? Talk to her. You said you want to come in the
Don't call
party.
me a funny. I'm not
Huh?
I told her too.
Huh?
I don't want
You
to
don't
come.
like it too, Sky?
I don't.
Sky, you want to come with Papi in the surprise party?
No.
No.
It's going to be in the Marriott Hotel.
No. Good for you. Go into your own.
Huh? My wife says she's not happy. She's not happy because you're going to make a surprise party. She said, what's going to be the party about? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, she's here. She's jealous, but she's not too jealous.
I'm not jealous. I thought you can go. Why you think so much?
Yeah, she said she doesn't care, so I think the party can be Saturday. What time?
Good luck.
I think 9 o'clock is too late. I want to be home by early. If I go for 40 minutes, but I can't be that long. Huh? Okay. Yeah, that's what I tell my wife. It's not gonna be nothing weird.
Whatever, please stop.
What?
What?
Okay, bye. I'll talk to you later because I don't think Sky is happy. Bye bye.
Where's my pen?
Oh.
What do you think? Huh?
Please watch.
Why not?
I'm not part of it.
Why? You don't want to go see Maria? I mean, Anna? Huh?
How did you throw up?
Sky? You want to go with a surprise party for your puppy?
No.
Huh?
No.
Yeah.
Why not? You like the Hungarian food? What do you think about that, Shoudeline?
About what?
About a surprise party?
What do you think about the car you mean?
You think it's a trick?
The car?
What do you mean the car?
The car we're gonna buy?
Yeah, it's not bad. Well, how about this surprise party? You want me to cancel?
Listen, please, you can go. I'm gonna cancel mine.
You're gonna cancel the surprise party you have for me?
I wasn't doing a surprise party. I wasn't doing a surprise party, but you can go.
Oh, okay. But why are you mad, Shoudeline? I don't understand. Let me go and don't be mad. If
You
I
think
go,
I'm mad? I'm not mad.
maybe if
I'm
I
not mad.
maybe if I go, you're not gonna talk to me for a week.
Not for a week, forever.
Why are you gonna leave me because I go on surprise party?
Because you're going in the hotel with the chica. And
What's the
Maria
problem?
now.
Can you?
What do you think? Do you think that's funny for you?
It's not funny, but you can come.
I don't know.
Yes, you can.
I
Come
don't.
on, Shoudeline, come.
Please stop.
Give me a kiss.
I
You don't love
want
me
to
no
give
more?
you a kiss.
Come on, you don't love me no more?
No.
Let's go in the comments, guys.
Please let me make my video.
You mad, Shoudeline?
I'm not mad. Please stop. I'm not mad.
So why you don't want me to go?
I
You don't want me to go on surprise party?
You take it.
I prank you.
No, you did it because there was no camera in the.
What's the camera?
No, there was no camera in the car.